Murray, you gonna open your Christmas present? Let's see who is it from. It's from Stacy and Bella. What a nice picture, Bella. That's gonna go up on the fridge. What do we got? What do we got? What's in there? Get it! Go get it! Murray. What is it? What do you got? Are there toys in there, Murray? Are you gonna tug? Oh my goodness. I think he likes it. I think he likes it. What else, buddy? What else do we got? Look at that one's got a ball on it. Go get it. This one's got 2 balls on it. Murray, hey. Look at this one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Murray, do you know how to play Frisbee? Do you? Here, let's try. Well, we'll figure it out. Thank you so much, Stacy and Bella. Merry Christmas. I was a little distracted.